Hey everybody, welcome to class today. Today we're going to have a little lesson about batteries and electrical. You don't need to understand batteries in a lot of detail for today. We know they store electrical current, and that electrical current is used to make a lot of things happen. Today we're just going to talk about how to check a battery. I have here a couple of batteries. These are not car batteries, but these are just for demonstration purposes, and I have a meter. Today we want to be able to talk about how to do a voltage check. To do a voltage check, grab yourself a voltage meter. You're going to set it to DC volts, if that's what you have, or in this case it says a V with a straight line and some little dots. Okay, but usually that's represented with DCV. When we get that up here together, we're going to set it. We're going to put it on our battery. Red is positive, black is negative. Don't mix them up. But put those there and connect them. This battery says 9.47 volts. That's too low. Cars operate on a voltage of 12. That's the standard. Other parts may have higher or lower voltages. It just depends on what you're doing. But this battery would be bad and we need charged or replaced. Second battery, same setup. Red is the positive, black's the negative. Touch them on there. I'm getting 12.74 volts. This is a good battery. This would work in a car if it was built for a car. Okay? Voltage check, super easy. There's other types of meters. We'll go into those a little bit, but for basic battery check, that's what you need. If you check the battery on a vehicle and it's not at 12 volts, there's a pretty good chance it won't start. It may be a little bit lower and still start, but if you've got a battery with 7, 8, 9, 10 volts, not going to work. I've seen cars with 11.5 start. That's kind of a little on the more rare side, but temperature also affects it. As we come into the cold season, voltage tends to drop. As you get into a hotter season like summer, voltage tends to go up. So it's no wonder a lot of times when winter comes around, everybody says, oh, my car won't start because your battery's cold, and it can't put out enough voltage just because of the way that they're susceptible to temperature change. Anyway, enjoy this. There'll be another section a little bit later. Then we'll talk about how to inspect a battery, and we'll show you more about car batteries in an actual car.